Good morning! Today is Monday, 11th of August. Mga akong coffee. Itong ating cabinet, second coat na to ng primer. So, I'm gonna add another coat today. Last na yan na coat. And then, after ko ma-applyan ng third coat, mga 3 hours later, applyan ko na siya ng paint, white paint. Okay? So, alas 11 na ako natapos kagabi. 11 something almost. O, mga 11:30 na ata para sa second coat. Ang hirap niya i-paint. Ang hirap niya i-ano pala, no? Hindi siya ma-roller lahat kasi yung mga gilid-gilid ba ito, hindi ma-roller. So, naka-brush yung iba. So, mahirap siya, guys. Hindi siya yung kagaya nito. Like, very easy to just roll. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, wala naman yung mga, walang mga singit-singit. Pero ito, marami. So, yun. Kaya natagalan ako kahapon. 8:34 in the morning. Hindi pa kami nakapagpili ng school supply for the kids, by the way. And then, yung pasok kanila sa Miyerkules na. Wednesday na yung school. Oh my gosh. First school nila here sa USA. I'm a little kind of nervous for this experience ng mga kids kasi nga alam nyo, bagong-bago for them, but then they have no choice kasi andito kami. Hi guys! Nakapag-change ako ng clothes. I'm not even sure if I mentioned this before, that the kids needs additional vaccinations para makapag-enroll sa school, and then school is coming. School here in the USA will start on Wednesday na. So, kailangan namin magpa-vaccine yung mga kids kasi hindi tatanggapin yung enrollment or registrations without having all those vaccinations. So, yung amin kasing vaccination here from St. Luke, actually, alam ko na kompleto yung mga kids. Unfortunately, I don't have the records since they got the vaccine. From giving birth, I know, di ba, pag nanganak tayo, like in the health center, nagbibigay talaga sila ng vaccinations for a child. But then, nawala ko yung record, both of my kids. So, kailangan namin, again, ng another record kasi hinahanap po yan sa school. This is something that I was surprised kasi, diba, in the Philippines, it's not really mandatory na when you, like, enroll your kids, hindi talaga, like, hinahanap yung record ng vaccination. Wala yung ganito, guys. But here in the US, they are more strict when it comes to enrolling your kids. So, hindi namin mapa-enroll yung kids unless hindi namin makompleto yung vaccine. So, ito yung in-work ni Belle right now. Paperworks. Did vlog when we went to Austin, Texas kasi nagpa-register kami ng DEER or like nilagay kami ni Belle sa kaniyang benefits, insurance, whatsoever sa kaniyang pagiging Navy. Hindi ko na maalala. Basta parang benefits ng family pag you marry a military, Navy man, something like that. So, included kami, ako, yung kids, sa benefits na yon, insurance. And then, that includes na mga like health insurance, yung mga ganun, guys. So, yun yung in-work niya kasi nagkaroon ng problema. Yun pala, na-miss. Namali yung girl, customer service na kausap ni Belle from the hospital. Kasi suppose pupunta kami. I think we are going today. I'm not sure. But he has to finish all the paperwork. Namali siya ng enter sa kanyang computer. Hindi niya mahanap si Ashley, guys. But then, sabi ni Belle, tawag na naman siya sa striker, guys. And then, meron naman, okay naman yung record. The kids are there. Your wife are there. So, sabi ng kausap niya kanina, like, hindi ko alam bakit hindi nila nakita. But then, yun nga, nagkamali yung customer service ng hospital. Pag enter, mali yung spelling. Kaya hindi nakita si Ashley doon. But, yeah, all good now. Nagpe-print lang si Belle ng mga papers. Ready for school? Wala pa kaming school supply. We're going to the store. Kaya magbili pa tayo ng school supply. Wala pa kaming school supply. Ang dami namin ginagawa. No, we've been here for like more than 2 months. Ang dami pa rin namin ginagawa. Ay, nako. Di pa rin kami nakapag-relax. Gagamitin ko pala, guys. Ginamit ko na to. Sobrang bango. Ma'am Juris, thank you so much. Sobrang bango ng Jumalon na perfume or cologne ba to?
Sabi nila, kulon-kulon nakalagay, pero perfume na to para sa akin. Ang bango. Ito pala yung Peony and Blush. Guys, sobrang bango niya. I'm not kidding. Mahal lang siya eh. Gamay siya, pero mahal. Oh my gosh. Pero worth it yung amoy niya. My coffee is cold na. From Wating. Wating? Ang kalat ng aming kitchen. Sorry guys. I hope you understand. We're working on our kitchen pa kasi. When we are done, it will be clean na. But yeah, I'm so grateful. I'm so happy with our dining table. Ang ganda talaga niya guys.
Nahurot na. Laka. Gabi-gabi lang ko.
Pa natapos si Belle. Nagkakatay ng nails while waiting. Ang dami pa palang mga paperworks. Nakakainis naman to guys. So, sa mga gustong pumuntang US, alam nyo na. It's not all about like red and roses when you get here guys. Ang daming ganap. Ang daming dapat trabahoin, especially if you have children. Hindi siya ganun ka-easy. Dami talaga. And I cannot, hindi ko kasi magagawa yung paperworks guys. It's all Belle's work. Okay? So lahat ng paperworks na meron na ginagawa ni Belle, siya lang yung gumagawa. He will only ask me if he has to like, you know, get this information from me. Yung mga hindi niya nalalaman. Hindi pala sa Miyerkules yung school. Tomorrow na pala talaga yung school dito sa Texas. So, patay tayo nito. Hindi pa kami ready. Hindi pa kami ready. Wala pa kaming school supply. Kanina ko pa ito sinasabi. Baka punta kaming Target today. Gusto ko kasi mag-shopping ng school supply sa Target. Kasi hindi ko pa nasubukan yung Target, shopping Target ba. Hindi ko pa na-try na guys. Maglagay ng nail polish sa aking kuko ever since nandito ako. And then, meron ako nakausap na subscriber by the way. She was so kind kasi sabi niya, punta na siya dito sa Texas on the 12. Hala, 12 na ba ngayon? Sabi niya, ate, baka meron kang gustong ipapabili. Kasi malapit lang kasi guys, College Station, Brian. So, mag-aaral siya sa A&M. Sa college here. Sabi niya sa akin, pwede daw niya bilhin yung kailangan ko. Like, so ang sabi ko sa kanya, pwede bilhan mo ako yung ink ba? Ano tawag nito? Yung cuticle tint na color orange at saka yung pink na pang cuticle remover kasi wala akong mahanap dito. Oh my goodness. Kahit online, Amazon, wala talaga akong mahanap online guys. Meron pala yung Filipino store based in California pero yung like yung cuticle tint cost for like $4 ata. Pero yung shipping fee naman, $8. I was like, oh my gosh! Kaya sabi ko, magpapabili ako sa kanya. But, hindi ko pa siya na-contact ulit. Sa Instagram siya nag-contact sa akin. So, try ko yun yung message. Go to the school first. We have to visit the school first. We have to visit the school before we go to buy things. Sure.
Hi. Testing me?
Testing daw,
What is the English of a cat? Cat. Huh?
Testing daw mag English yung si Daddy. Oh, go kayo.
Hindi kayo.
30.
Bye, Callie.
Problema. We will have to get the kids vaccinated today because if we can't, they will not be enrolled. Yun yung sabi, nagpunta kami sa school. Explain.
They have a few vaccinations that they've only had the first shot in the series. So they have to go get the second shot in the series. And then they'll be allowed to start school.
Yeah. And then school will be tomorrow. So, kailangan naman siyang gawin today, but good thing, it's like 4:30 naman, hanggang 4:30 yung clinic today. But, yung sabi mo, what did you say? Depends on the line.
It depends on the line.
It
Yep.
depends on the line. Oh.
Now,
So Nicole and Yashley will get the vaccination together kasi same regulation policy naman yan. They will be enrolled in different school.
and required vaccinations are the same for children. Pretty
Yeah.
much all children.
So no,
But
di
there
mo,
are some
but-
that are age specific.
So we're heading there today. Hopefully, cross finger. Di sila busy. We didn't make it time for Yashley's registration today. They are closed at 4, guys, and we drove from Nicole's school to here. Like, nakarating kami, we arrived here like mga 4:15. So wala na, sarado na sila. So we'll just do it tomorrow. And then for Nicole naman, since we are done with our vaccinations, everything that needed, so we are still going to like go tomorrow na?
Yeah.
For the schedule?
We'll come in the morning and finish registering Nicole.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Ashley.
Yes.
And then we're done with that. We'll see what time it is.
Mhm.
And that's good.
Yep.
And then take Nicole over.
Yeah. So, but then yes, it's classes is tomorrow, but we're still fine.
Yeah.
We're fine. It's not really like something to worry about.
Yeah.
Uy, we need to go buy them for school pa. We didn't do that. School supplies. Yeah, we're claiming their coupon. Ice cream from DQ after the shots. Yung doctor gives them sorry. How was it? Good? So they got 4 coupon, but we can only claim 2 per kid. 1 each.
I think this is only their second time having soft serve.
Yeah.
Because they had soft serve in New York. I think that was the first.
Uber kami sa post office, guys, hoping na yung aking Texas ID card, the permanent one, is there na sa aming mailing box. Hindi ko alam. We've been like looking forward for that Texas ID card, to be honest, because usually when we go on like paperwork thing, I always use right now we are only using the temporary ID card, which is in a bond paper lang ba. So si Belle sabi niya, sana ando na, kasi it's been like it's 1 month ago. Grabe. You know what? Right now it's like 101 Fahrenheit degree Fahrenheit. 101 degree Fahrenheit outside. It's super init. It's 4:59.
There's no mail for you.
Wala sa akin, guys. So wala. Nagtatawaran ako nito isa. Sa kanya lang lahat 'yan. Mga wala pa
It
naman.
might have also been funny to not told you.
That told me. Because I was like, I'm expecting the Texas ID card. It's
Yeah,
been a month.
it-
It's been a month. Wala.
Well,
They're playing.
it-
They're
yeah.
playing
Well, they gotta do something.
These are like fireman.
Yeah.
Fireman. They're playing tennis.
They're not playing tennis. They're waiting for a call.
Kaya nga, they're waiting for a call. So while waiting, they are playing.
Well, you gotta do something to kill time while you're waiting.
Are you ready? Ready? Come here. You okay? So we're going to get them school supply today. Here are the list. Can you like minimize it? Ang dami pala. Like, hold it please. Hindi ko naintindihan yung mga kailangan nila. Yung mga pangalan, iba-iba yung pangalan. Iniwan na kami, guys. Iniwan na kami. Nag-zoom out si daddy. Backpack, you want to get something? Look.
Dapat siya yung book.
Wow.
Kanina.
Dako makainin mo. I-try daw. Like, try lang. Try. You like that one?
I like
You like that better?
I headphone ng isa pero kapit.
You don't need headphone.
Headphone.
Di
Dito
ba yan?
lang bag din na pakapin.
Yeah. You don't. Why? In the Philippines, they don't have? So you like that? Nah, I think it's not gonna work. I don't know.
Headphone.
Nah, you don't need it at school.
Diba, ipon-check sana kung paano.
Sige, come here. Come here to our cart. You like that? Are you sure? Alright, grabe na talaga tong ano, guys. So, hinahanap ni Belle yung composition na book. Hindi ko rin maintindihan kung ano yung composition book. So, check it first. Check. Hala, dili na siya guba. Yes, look. It's not. Ano yan? How about that one? That one, kanang naihing, ana. Hala, ano siya? What is that? So, ganahan na ko, ana? You like it?
There are
What? What do you have?
relax. One pencil case, one sketch pad, one sticker sheet, 3 paper clips, one ruler, 3 pen. Kasi free highlighter. Ayun na.
Highlighter?
Ah.
I think we need lunchbox. Lunchbox here. Ah, parang ingon ani siya.
Sabi ko bag.
It's only $9.
Ablo ko bag.
Hindi, lunchbox. I-open the Riyash. Kaniyash, oh look.
That's so cute. So simple.
Look. So yeah, we're buying them school supplies and everything they needed. Is siya ma-open? How about you? No more lunchbox for you. Malaki ka na ate, so iba na sa'yo. Gagmay man. You need a bigger one. These are small. Not yash. That's small. Water bottle. We need like something big.
I bet. Please.
Where are we? Tawagan dali. Asa ta dapit? Ang camera na ko na.
Ambot. Blue hat.
What do you want?
Green na lang.
Green na lang?
Green.
Wala nga eh. Ito lang yung kulay. They have this turquoise color and then blue. And there is one, pero dalawa lang. Ito yung... Actually, this is good for lunch, man. Nicole, this one is nice. It's the same. This one is better. This is too fancy. Maybe we'll get something else. No, you don't need a fancy lunch box.
Advance para mo in middle school niya.
How about this one? Iti, mahalak ka ni. Oh my gosh, I'm sure we will spend so much. We will spend so much for this shopping. Okay. Mahal ang ban. So small. You need this one. This is only 13. Come here, Nicole. Oh. See? This one, oh. Too pink? You don't like pink?
Too pink.
Kana laging masarado. Something that you sealed. Kanang sealed kayo ba kay? Kaso wala siya handle. We finally got water bottle. Hindi namin, you know, like I wanted them to bring like a bigger, kaso mabigat siya, guys. And I think they have water at school. So kailangan lang nila ng something for refill in case maubusan ng tubig. But we'll see. Let's go back to the cart. Belle is getting all of this kasi hindi ko maintindihan yung requirements. Iba yung ano, guys, yung pangalan. So like kailangan namin ng red pen, which is wala on the side. Pagod niyan si Belle. Siya talaga yung ikot ng ikot just to get everything, guys. School supplies. Kasi siya yung nakakaintindi. It's like, I think, I don't know. What time is it, Nicole? What time is it?
6:45.
6:45. Ang init. It's very hot. Sobrang init.
Start na. Let me.
Okay, si Nicole na daw practice na daw siya, guys, kay she will be like when she is 16, daddy says that she's gonna drive na. Huh? Put it down. You don't have to do anything with the car key. Put it there, the car key. So you have to step on the brake, which is that big, and then the start. Good job.
Hi. Hi guys. So today we're gonna do a haul. Yeah. With school supplies. Because our school is starting tomorrow. We'll start tomorrow, and I don't know if my school will start tomorrow. And some of the stuffs are mine, but the others are all my sister's. Because I haven't gotten a list yet. So today we're gonna open this and see what we've got. First, your backpack.
First, my backpack. Of course, I like unicorns.
Open it. Okay, go.
And there's supplies inside the bag already. Yeah, this one, a list that already part of my backpack.
Okay. Abis. Pakita nila. I mean, itanta lang tama.
Okay. I got this.
This is what Ashley got. A free notebook and highlighters and a paper pen. Ooh.
Oh my.
What's the book first?
I got this unicorn notebook.
I don't think that's a notebook. That's a drawing book. And some stickers. Will you look that?
Yes, stickers. I got free stickers. Oh my god.
And it's actually a drawing book. It's a sketchbook.
And this.
I'm just gonna...
Here, I'm showing you the list again. This. 22 pieces, 1 backpack, 1 sketch pad, 1 sticker sheet, and 1 pencil case, 1 ruler, 3 binder clips, 3 highlighters, 5 sticky notes, 3 mini gel pens, and 3 paper clips.
And some other stuff here. We've got
sketchbook. Yeah, that's
and some other stuff. We got 48 pencils for my
That's
sister.
a lot.
Literally a lot.
Yeah.
Do you see it? I don't think so. I don't think so. And scissors here. Scissors. And I don't know what this is. And a highlighter for my sister. It's in her list. These are my sister's stuffs and some post-it. I think this is post-it notes.
Maybe there's more.
I don't know. And what is this?
Wow.
Mini bites, mini pots, mini avocados. This, I don't know what this is. It's a small little, I don't know.
Here's my pencil case.
And this is Ashley's water bottle, which is pink, matches her bag.
Yeah.
And mine, black, which also matches my bag. And also, wait, let me show you. This is my bag.
Still cutting.
It's some fidget toys. This one feels so solitary. I cannot even get it off the bag. Look. That's just, I forgot the spine. What's this?
I wanna pop them, but I can't pop
I
them.
don't, ooh. I think it's a stress reliever. I don't even know. Oh my god, look. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah.
I like it.
Some other stuff's here. I have 2 of them.
I got this highlighter,
Ooh.
purple of course,
Wow.
and I got pink
I like it.
pink highlighter.
I'm gonna bring this to school.
Of course you can.
It's mine.
And I got green highlighter, and I don't know what this is.
It's a very cute pen, I think. My bag has a puppet. Look at that. It's also black. I don't know if you can see it or not. Wow. This is lunch container. This one's mine, gray, and my sister is blue. Doesn't really much, but it's cheap, so yeah. Hers is blue, mine is gray. I don't think there's a difference, but and this one is solid. I don't know how to read it. Bender, pouch. Wait, let me see.
Wait, I'll be right back. Oh.
My sister's crayons. 24. There's 24 of them. And some other stuffs like ball pen and color pencil. And we brought some extra snacks. Why not?
This is mine.
I'll open this. I'm gonna eat this.
Look at this thing.
Satisfying? Oh my god, I'm gonna eat it.
I'm gonna put all my stuff in my pencil case.
I have no pencil case.
My highlighter.
There's so many. Okay. I'm gonna eat.
Look at it, so cute.
You're not even gonna use that.
I'll put this in my pencil case. I like my bag.
Finally put it in my bag. And it looks so cute. I'm gonna put the others. Like this one's really cool. I mean, look at that. They just twist. I mean, look.
My hair is just messy today. And I'm just tired. It's enough for today.
Bracelet, I think.
Bye-bye.
Bye. I
Bye.
haven't even showed this yet.
Oh.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Here's more. We forgot to. It was on the table. And we forgot to show it to you. I don't know what this is.
Oh.
5-star.
I don't know what this
This is. It's it open here.
And there's also some, I don't know, stuff here.
Anyway, let's move on. To.
I think, this is, I don't know. But it just says 5-star.
Let's go to the notebook
Composition
area.
book. That's
Yep.
the composition book.
Yeah. There's 4 of them.
We have some of them, but we use this, so that just bought more. And that's paper for my sister. I'm just gonna eat here.
2 paper. Anyways, bye. Say bye. Bye. The
We're
moment
home.
of truth, Kali.
The moment of truth. Haman daw, patanaw ako te, sa imong injection.
Ayaw.
Okay, di ni matagtangan? You don't wanna remove? Hey. Wala na lisod.
The moment of truth.
Yeah, you do. Wala ni mag-eat mo food. Bakit? We're home already. Oh my goodness. It's a very long day today.
Say.
Long day. Ano pala tayo? Umalis kami kanina 1 p.m. I think. Or 2? Mga 2 p.m. kami umalis punta ng school. And then ang nangyari is that hindi dami na register because of the vaccination additional. Like, we had already record from St. Luke, yung nagpa-medical kami sa St. Luke, guys. But when you register the kids, they have specific vaccination record na hinahanap, which it wasn't there sa copy namin sa St. Luke. So, we went to Brazos County Health Center. Health Center yun, babe? Health Center. We went to Brazos County Health Center. I don't know if they call it Health Center here in the USA. I think, ano siya? Health District. So, yeah. Brazos County Health District. So, doon kami nagpa-inject for the kids. Yeah. And they received 5 shots. Each of them. Meron na kaming copy ng vaccination na binigay sa kanila. And they receive like polio. Meron pa yung iba. Diyan yung record sa papel, guys. Basta meron siyang record. Binigay yung record. Meron kami dito 5 shots for Nicole and Ashley. And then we paid for like $28 something for that vaccination. Sige na, pangauna mo. Nuggets is already cooked. Sige na, put it in the plate. Here. Ayaw na ng hot pocket.
Additional vaccinations they got
Okay.
to put with the package.
Okay. So, yun. Asan ba yun? Ay, andito. Ito pala yun, guys. So, yung binigay nila na additional, binigay pala today, it's Hepa B, MMR, polio, Tdap, varicella. So, ilang dose ba to? Kasi nung may nakalagay kasi dito yung sa St. Luke din na record. Nilagay nila. She was like, parang nangurog ganiya, guys. She was like kind of shaking because Nicole is like making her afraid. Nicole was like, ano ba? That's why, like, Yashley's looking at her like, Ate is scared now. And yeah, it's like when I look at her at the chair and she's like, I'm gonna run.
So they speak Bisaya, but school was in Filipino, which is Tagalog, mostly, right?
Bisaya. But they teach.
Filipino and Bisaya is not the same language.
You know what's funny? They teach their, diba, mother tongue in the school. So even if mathematics, they teach you in Bisaya version.
Right.
That's crazy.
So they speak Bisaya, Filipino, and English.
Yes,
They do. They do also have English.
So it's kind of important to explain to them when we go in there that they actually speak 3 languages.
Yeah.
They speak Bisaya, they speak Filipino, and
Tagalog.
Or Tagalog, which is
Yasli.
officially it's Filipino, but it's actually Tagalog.
Yasli, do you speak Tagalog? Hindi ako kakain yan.
But it's one of their classes.
Yeah. Sige nga, mag-Tagalog ka nga. Nahihirapan ako tumae. She's like having weird feeling when she speaks Tagalog because she's not really used to it.
I was born there.
Mabugira kay ka.
What about Nicole? Can she speak Tagalog?
Can you speak Tagalog? Tell me. Say something Tagalog. O, di ba? Mabugira ka niya. Di mali ka mo Tagalog.
Gusto ko pagong.
Pagumad.
Hindi ko lang ang lang.
They don't understand, but I think part of them, like, they when they speak, it's weird. Because remember me, when I do starting vlogging and speak Tagalog, I knew that even until now, I still have like wrong grammar Tagalog.
Yeah.
So, because it's just my second language. Should I say Bisaya, Tagalog, English. But I think I'm confident.
But their English.
They speak.
Don't get mad, but their English is actually better than yours.
I do accept it, so no hurt feelings because I know they're good. You hear that? They were vlogging and they speak fluently.
They're learning English right now.
And they will be more.
You had a long time after school where you didn't work.
Wala na ka naman. I'll be kicked out in this house because I will be the one who won't speak anymore. Better English. I'm sure like 1 month after, because they will spend more at school during weekdays.
Yeah.
They will be more fluent. I'm telling you.
Oh. Total immersion in English, yeah. So, well, they get an opportunity to use the English that they already have learned.
Oy, nanay, pancake sunod.
Huh? Put it outside. So yeah, chicken nuggets kasi gabing-gabi na kami dumating ng bahay, guys. From the store and yeah. Pagong? Where's the bacon? Meron naman bacon. Girls, are you ready to wake up too early tomorrow? Like early. When I say early, you have to like get ready of your clothes tonight, your shoes and your socks. But you are still going with us because we are going to register you tomorrow. Does she needs to bring her backpack also, babe? Nicole?
Well, the thing is, we don't know how long it's going to take us. They said we don't need to bring her over there until like after 9.
Oh my gosh. Now, this will be the challenge. Mama has to sleep early because Mama has to wake up early.
The echoes pulsate.